Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Google Finance in Sheets. First, open a new Google Sheet. You can access Google Finance functions directly from any cell. This feature is incredibly useful for anyone looking to monitor stocks, mutual funds, or currencies without leaving their spreadsheet. It's a straightforward way to keep your financial data organized and up to date, making investment tracking much simpler. To begin, type equals Google Finance into any cell, followed by an opening parenthesis. Then, enter the stock ticker symbol in quotation marks like Goog for Google and close the parenthesis. Press Enter, and the cell will display the current stock price. This simple function is the foundation for pulling a wide array of financial data directly into your sheet, making it incredibly easy to get started. Beyond just the current price, you can retrieve many specific data points. After the ticker symbol, add a comma and then the desired attribute in quotation marks, such as high for the day's highest price or low for the lowest. Other useful attributes include volume for trading activity and market cap for market capitalization. This allows you to customize the financial information you track with great precision. To build a simple portfolio tracker, set up columns for your stock tickers, the number of shares you own, and your purchase price. In a separate column, use the equals Google Finance function to automatically update the current price for each stock. Then, multiply the current price by your number of shares to see the real-time value of your holdings. This method provides a dynamic overview of your investments, updating automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.